If you're seeing a PDF unsupported file format type error on WhatsApp, here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp and tap on Update if it's available. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues. Next, open the Settings app on your device and scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. After that, search for WhatsApp and tap on it. Here, check if the app has proper permissions to access files and documents. This ensures WhatsApp can open PDFs correctly. Now, open the PDF file on your device using a PDF Reader app. Make sure it opens properly and isn't corrupted. Also, check the file extension. It should end with .pdf. If not, you can simply rename it. And check the file size as well. WhatsApp only allows documents up to 100 MB. If your PDF is larger, compress it using a PDF compressor app or an online tool. Finally, if everything seems fine but the PDF still won't send, try sharing it through a cloud link like Google Drive or Dropbox instead of sending the file directly. And that's all. That's how you can fix the WhatsApp PDF unsupported file format problem. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.